30. Thousands of cellular dead zones exist across the state and right here in Western New York. News 4's Nick Quattrini tells us what's being done and breaks the numbers down for us.
When you bring a cell phone to a remote or rural area, it probably will not work. But according to a new study by Senator Schumer's office, there's dozens of dead zones in urban areas right here in Western New York, especially in the city of Buffalo.
We asked New Yorkers to call in dead zones, and then we promised we'd send them to the cell phone carriers and ask them to fix them up.
After the public dialed in, more than 4,000 dead zones were identified across New York State, according to data provided by U.S. Senator Schumer's office. Now, focusing in on our neck of the woods, there were 143 dead zones in Cattaraugus County, 140 in Niagara County, and 368 in Erie County, which is the second worst in the entire state. Dozens of dead zones were identified in rural and urban areas like Buffalo, West Seneca, and Cheektowaga. The 14051 zip code in East Amherst had the highest with 29.
We're asking the FCC to look into this to make sure that the companies are advertising honestly, and to make sure that they fix these dead zones. They're really not fair. They're not right. And dead zones, additionally, can cause a safety hazard.
We reached out to the 4 major cell phone carriers for a comment, and most of them referred us to the Cellular Telephone Industries Association. Now, in response to Senator Schumer, the CTIA says Americans' mobile data usage more than doubled from 2014 to 2015. The statement went on to say that wireless providers invested more than $32 billion in infrastructure, including more than 10,000 cell sites around the country during that same period. And they plan on working with cities and states to add more equipment. And if you'd like to see a copy of that report, or you'd like to see how your cell phone carrier stacks up against the rest, go to our website and click on this story. For now, reporting in Buffalo, Nick Quattrini, News 4.